Aerial Scout 72X is an advanced derivative of EADS North America's highly successful UH-72A Lakota. Its modern design and performance capabilities make the AAS-72X the low-risk, best-value solution the U.S. Army is seeking to meet the Armed Aerial Scout mission requirements, both today and in the future. Its powerful twin-engine performance, redundant hydraulic and electrical controls, and modular weapon systems architecture ensures maximum maintainability, operational reliability, and mission survivability. The Armed Aerial Scout 72X has demonstrated a high hot hover out-of-ground effect capability with a 2,300-pound payload and a 2.5-hour plus flight capability. With its small footprint, the AAS-72X is easy to transport on C-17 airlifters. The large sliding and rear clamshell doors, along with its high-set main and tail rotors, provide unparalleled safety, access, and space utilization for maximum mission versatility. A next-generation helicopter for armed reconnaissance, and it's backed by a world-class industry team. The Armed Aerial Scout 72X from EADS North America, armed for the mission.
Sir, battalion has a company pinned down.
What's your situation?
Yeah, Bravo 27 is pinned down in a high mountain valley near Hill 643. They're under heavy enemy machine gun fire. We need air support.
At that altitude and flight time and with the wounded, it's an armed scout mission. What's available?
Bravo company.
All right, get them airborne and give me an ETA.
Yes, sir. Bravo, you'll be cleared for airstrike.
Skyhawk 6, cleared for takeoff.
Roger.
With modular weapon systems architecture, the Armed Aerial Scout 72X features an impressive array of lethal firepower that includes a 2.75 rocket pod, Hellfire missiles, and 50 caliber machine guns.
Bravo 27, Skyhawk 6, when you've got the target and engaging.
Roger. Skyhawk 6, you're all over it. Skyhawk 6, target destroyed. Good job.